Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So it's no secret that I love to test smartphones, and that is what my channel is about, smartphones. So I recently picked up the Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro, and for some reason I'm enjoying this phone much more than I thought I would, even more than the other version of the Mi 8 that I have. I don't know why. Well, excuse me, I'm a little under the weather, so you can hear me sniffling. My apologies, but I've been sick for a little bit. Now, what I want to say about this phone is, it's awesome. The battery hit that I thought I was going to take did not happen. I'm not having an issue with battery. Battery life is fantastic. What can I say? It's really good. But I haven't so much been focusing on battery. I've been focusing on the cameras. And I gotta tell you, the cameras on this thing are absolutely awesome. I've been taking, and I don't take selfies and stuff like that. Not in my personal life. I don't do the selfie thing. I don't even like taking photos at events and stuff like that. But I was using my iPhone, and then I was using this phone, and I found myself swapping back and forth between the two. And this camera is awesome. The front and the rear cameras are awesome. I mean, really, genuinely, I was so impressed. Because I put up a video and asked you guys, which phone should I take to CES if I wasn't going to take a camera. Well, I settled in. I'm probably just going to take my GoPro Hero 7 Black. However, there is phones coming with me, so I'll pull those out every now and then and take photos and video and things like that. But I found myself putting my SIM card back into this phone as quick as I would take it out. Because so many people are on iMessenger in my family, so I decided to just turn off iMessenger so I don't have to worry about that and just swap the SIM cards as I wanted to. But my SIM card has been in this phone for going on 2 days, I guess, and this phone is awesome. I think another reason why the battery life is good, I'm jumping back a little bit, is because of the Super AMOLED display. As you can see, I have a black wallpaper. Now, that's probably why I'm getting such good battery life. But the cameras, I tested it while driving. Well, I was driving, but my daughter was taking photos, and she took a picture of the sky. Then she zoomed way in, and it was just all these different things photos that I've taken. And I just thought, this phone is way too awesome. And by the way, right now it's on sale for $4.99. So hit the link in the description, and this would be a little Christmas gift to yourself. But this phone is totally worth $4.99. It is just an awesome, awesome phone. The feel in hand is good. It looks premium. It feels premium. It's right in line with my iPhone XS Max. If when I think about it, I don't generally. Man, I messed up my skin. I don't normally take it off. No filters. I don't normally wear this phone without a case. When I go out, but since I had the skin on there, which just got ruined, this phone doesn't have a case, and I thought, man, these phones are really, really awesome. And I was just saying to myself, how much better is this phone than the iPhone? I started taking photos, and I gotta give credit where credit is due. The iPhone does a little bit better in my experience and opinion with video, but photos, this is killing it, man. I mean, it is just really, really good. And the crazy part is 500 or 550, 1100 at the low end, up to 1500. If you're a camera person, now I'm not saying that the video is bad on here. It's just not as good, in my opinion, as the iPhone XS Max. But nonetheless, man, I could really appreciate a phone that costs $4.99 that looks better, I might add. It looks better than the iPhone XS Max. It's got the in-screen fingerprint reader. It's a really sleek, lightweight phone. Beautiful Super AMOLED display. It has just been awesome to use for the last 2 days, and I'm surprised that I like it this much, man. It's really weighing on me, but I'm like, man, I really like this phone, man. The screen gets really bright outside, but I primarily, like I said, I've been testing it out with the cameras, and I've been more than impressed. I mean, really impressed. It's just been great, man. So this phone right here, I want to give you like a 2-day follow-up, if you will. It doesn't just look good. The cameras are actually really, really great, and that is something that I can say about a lot of phones. I mean, it has the portrait mode, it has all the filters and everything. I made sure beauty mode was off, and I just shot random photos right here in the office and then out and about. And I've just been so impressed with this, man. I had to share a quick video with you guys to let you guys know I'm not trying to sell you on the phone. I'm just telling you, I think this phone is awesome. LTE has been good. I took it out of the city already. I took it out of Austin, and I took a long trip, and I kept LTE the entire way. And the speeds are good. I'm getting about 20 down pretty much inside my house. I moved the router farther away, and I'm still getting about 20 down and about 20 up. So that's really impressive. But I'm telling you, the most important thing I focused on was cameras. But other than that, performance, if you're wondering, performance is actually really good. No problems with it, man. I'm just going to keep on testing it, and I'm going to keep on doing my thing with it, and try to get you guys more footage on it before CES. I'll try to, but if I can't, look for some footage and updates after CES. I've got 2 special things coming I think you guys are going to enjoy, and I'm impressed with it, man. So now I'm going to flip this around, play a couple of games, and show you how it performs, and then I'm out of here. It's your man, Jay Will. Let's get it.